Vechain over here is one of those perfect examples showing that even if you meet the 1618 down here and have this humongous pump, reclaiming certain key fib levels does not suggest that these targets below are yet invalidated. So again, even though we've met these sets of targets and had this massive relief rally, it does not necessarily invalidate these downward targets. So V-Chain could still be heading lower. We're going to discuss that today. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if by the end of the video you want help with how to trade, how to read the chart, just like me, send me a message through the links in the description down below. We'll talk about it more at the end of this video. But yeah, message me on twitter.com if you want to learn how to trade. We had this huge relief rally after me calling for a dump down after bouncing off the 1414 back up into the 1 fib level and then dump down to the 1618. We had this bullish divergence which gave us this humongous rally. Now, as we remain below and holding the golden pocket as resistance, you don't reclaim it going on the original path. Now you can see I've measured my fibs going through these 2 points. It's telling you where we should find support in between this area for continuation higher, and this wasn't the case. So as that's lost, the reversal wave becomes created, and we met all the targets. So you'd assume, okay, now we just reclaim that and we're on a bullish path. That's what failed to happen over here. We need to flip this area back up into support. We got above it, fell straight back under it and continued low. You can see very recently came into that area again as resistance, and that's why it looks as if we are trying to continue lower. Again, we need to reclaim it over here. We need to reclaim it over here to go on that original bullish path. And so as we just came up into it as resistance, we're not going on that original bullish path. We continue bearish, and as we are yet to meet these targets, this is the reason why we will see 1.5 cent V-Chain, which if we're talking about in 2 years time from now, this is going to be an incredible longer term holding position where we could see over a 20, 30, 40, 50x in the coming years in the upcoming bull market. Now we do see that price coming down to 1.5 cent, but I have to measure this huge pump that we had over the last couple of weeks, and it's basically suggesting on the loss of this low, the lowest wick, just I was suggesting back over here, lose this and we go ahead and meet those targets. Well, if we go ahead and lose 1.6, we come to the 1.5 cent area, which was also suggested by those 2 Fibonacci's off of this previous fib retracement, and we can see that this has come up higher, allowing for further targets to the downside. So we will just go down to here at first, and then we will see if we can reclaim this level. This is the new level that we need to flip into support. Previously it was that level, now it's this area, which also so happens to be that previous 1 Fibonacci over there. So it's essentially saying that if we do get down to these targets, this level must be reclaimed to go on a bullish trajectory. That is it from me today. Again, if you want me to teach you, I've got multiple things in place, so use the links in the description to head over to x.com. Use the 25% discount that is available for the next 2 people on the one-to-one mentorship plan, which will give you 5 to 10 hours of one-to-one personal access to video calls with myself. And this is where I'll teach you how to become a self-sufficient trader. I'm going to give you all the tools you need that I have used to get to this level with 5 years of market experience. It will take time. There will be some struggles along the way. You do need to be disciplined, consistent, and be self-motivated, because there will be times where you don't think there's light at the end of the tunnel. There will be. You just have to keep going. That's what separates the losers from the winners. The losers just kept on going until they became winners. That was pretty much my story. I came in with the mindset, if it takes 5 years, it takes 5 years. It took me 2 years. And then now I'm 5 years into it. And yeah, if you want to go through the mentorship plan, I'm going to throw in my course, which is 6 hours long. You're going to have that for the rest of your life. I'm going to throw in 3 months free access in my community so you can get further mentorship sessions, but as a group, so others can share their own ideas and strategies. But I'm going to give you that criteria on what you need to look out for to enter these trades. You can just join the group chat, the Discord community for those group sessions. If you don't want to do the education, if you don't want to do the mentorship or the course, you can just join the chat by itself. Look at those future bull market investments, what those targets may be, so you can start to think about how much money you're going to be making in the upcoming bull market. All the tools you need for success are in our community, and the education. So any further questions, message me on twitter.com. The links can be found underneath this video, and I'll catch you soon. Cheers.